I'm trying to get kids interested in electricity. And that's everything from the very basic concepts to maybe residential wiring.
He helps us whenever we have a problem and helps us fix any wiring issues that we might have. So yeah,
he's a great help in the classroom.
Yes.
He helps you without giving you the answer. He gives you enough help to where you understand what you're doing, but he doesn't do it for you. So it's a good mix.
We would love to get kids into the IVW union. So getting them a pre-apprenticeship, so getting them really prepared to have a leg up in that program. We're really excited about renewable energy, so trying to get kids interested in hydro power and solar power and wind power. And then also factory automation, so with PLCs and if you see a video of Amazon's factory where they're taking boxes and robots moving around, all of those things have sensors and factory automation. So those are kind of 3 areas that we're going to be concentrating in.
I've heard a lot of people tell me school doesn't teach us stuff out for the outside world. It's all just math and reading and writing, but these classes are exactly what people have been needing for years now. This is the stuff that you're going to be learning in the outside world, and now we finally have it as a class.
In my exploring electronics class, I started the semester teaching the kids about this programmable electronic circuit called an Arduino.
This is the inner workings of a model tank we've been creating. So for the past month or so, we've been working on Arduino projects, and Ethan's done most of the wiring inside the tank. I did the controller. Unfortunately, we don't have a 3D printed model for the tank yet, but once it's done, it should be a fully functional remote control tank.
we're mostly learning how to wire up the controller and the different
smaller components.
Yeah, smaller components. We also learned how to work a H-bridge, which is basically a component where you can reverse the direction of these motors independently from each other. So then we can turn the tank in either direction.
Yeah, ever since the start of the project, we had to completely learn entirely new components and learn how to wire those correctly. And it's just been it's been a great experience. We have learned a lot of stuff from this class and this project.
One of the favorite things about my job is getting kids to, I have it on a sign over there that it says it works, right? And I get to hear that all the time. The kids are struggling, and then I hear, oh, it works! And it's just great.
If you don't like complicated classes, this might not be the class for you, but if you like a challenge and you like genuinely fun classes to be a part of, then you should take this class.